Hey there, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're breaking down a super practical guide to boosting your income right from your own home. We're going to look at exactly how everyday Americans are increasing their monthly cash flow. And the best part? You don't need any special skills, you don't need a massive pile of upfront capital, and you definitely don't need to quit your day job.
Seriously, think about it for a second. What if you could realistically make an extra $500 every single month? Just imagine the impact that extra cash could have. We're talking about generating this right from the comfort of your living room. There's no boss breathing down your neck, absolutely zero commute to worry about, and nope, no fancy degree required.
$500. That is our absolute target for today. It's a totally achievable milestone, and by the end of this explainer, you're going to have a crystal clear, actionable plan to hit that exact number. And I mean, starting this very week. Here's our roadmap. We're going to cover immediate cash injections, flexible gig economy hustles, monetizing your existing skills, scalable passive income streams, and finally, multiplying your monthly income. Let's get right into it. Starting right off with Section 1, Immediate Cash Injections, or How to Turn Your Clutter into Cash. $500 to $2,000. Believe it or not, that's the exact amount of value the average American has just sitting around their house right now. It is literally trapped in the form of unused stuff collecting dust in closets and garages, down in basements, and yeah, even that weird lamp your aunt gave you. By taking a few minutes to list those old electronics, clothes, furniture, or books on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Craigslist, you can convert that clutter into cash in a matter of days. Honestly, it's the ultimate quick psychological win to get your momentum going. It's the absolute fastest, most direct way to get your first $500 straight into your pocket this month. Next up is Section 2, Flexible Gig Economy Hustles. This is all about earning on your own schedule. If you want to earn on your own terms, becoming a delivery driver is a fantastic option. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart let you work exactly when you want to. No boss, no fixed schedule. And the math here is really compelling. The average driver makes between $15 and $25 an hour. So if you just pick up orders for 4 to 5 hours on the weekends, you can easily add $400 to $600 to your monthly income. Another awesome, flexible route is becoming a virtual assistant. You don't need a fancy office for this. Businesses and entrepreneurs desperately need remote help with basic, everyday administrative tasks. We're talking managing emails, scheduling meetings, handling social media, or just doing some data entry. Platforms like Zirtual, Fancy Hands, and Indeed are packed with these roles. They generally pay between $15 and $30 an hour, which makes it incredibly doable to hit that extra $500 even if you're strictly working part-time. Moving right along to Section 3, Monetize Your Existing Skills. This one is all about getting paid for what you already know. You probably don't even realize how highly marketable your current skills are. Take freelance writing, for example. Just having basic English skills and a laptop can net you $200 to $500 a month on beginner-friendly platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Textbroker. You don't need to be a professional author to knock out simple blog posts. Or think about online tutoring. If you know high school math, science, or heck, even cooking, sites like Tutor.com, Wyzant, and Chegg pay $15 to $50 an hour. Doing that for just 2 hours a day gets you right to your $500 monthly goal. Let's step it up a notch with Section 4, Scalable Passive Income Streams. This is where we talk about building long-term value. This is where the magic really happens looking ahead to 2026. Active gig work is great, but it means trading your time for money. When you stop working, the income stops flowing. Passive income, on the other hand, completely flips the script to a create once, sell forever model. You build something once, and you profit from it continuously, literally while you sleep. So, what exactly are these digital products? Well, they're just simple downloads. Think budget templates, meal planners, workout guides, or even social media templates. You create these files once on your computer, and then you set up a storefront on free platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Once your store is live, customers can purchase and download your files automatically, day or night, without a single extra click from you. Here is the true power of scaling. While freelance writing and delivery driving offer a really solid, steady influx of active cash, usually in that $200 to $600 range, digital products completely break the ceiling. Because your sales aren't limited by the hours in a day, your earning potential scales exponentially, easily pushing past that $1,000 a month mark. Finally, let's look at Section 5, Multiplying Your Monthly Income Through the Combination Strategy.
Here is the ultimate secret to this whole system. You do not have to choose just one of these paths. You can stack them. Try starting out by tutoring actively for a couple of hours a day to secure that steady cash, while simultaneously listing a digital meal planner on Etsy to build up your passive income. By strategically combining these forces, you don't just meet your goal, you completely smash right past that $500 target.
We've covered the playbook. We've shown you the platforms, and you've seen the potential. The power to change your financial trajectory is literally sitting right there in your house or on your laptop right now. So my question for you is, which method are you going to try first? What is actually stopping you from claiming your first $500 this week? Pick your method, take that very first step today, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.